Hey everyone, this is AJ here. I was wanting to talk to you today about fire extinguishers for your Beetle. They're a good little insurance policy to have so your Beetle don't look like this. This fire extinguisher I have here today, I bought it on Amazon, fairly inexpensive. It's a one-time use fire extinguisher, so it's non-refillable. And it's good for electrical and gas fires. With the Beetles, I mean, they're old vehicles, old wiring, old fuel lines, maybe dry rotted, cracked. So any old vehicle, you definitely want to have one of these in it. The places that you can mount the fire extinguishers, I've seen people mount them in the back seat. I wanted mine where I could get to it from the front seat fairly easily. So where I'm going to end up mounting mine is I'm actually going to mount it right here on the passenger side up underneath the glove box right by the door. I have seen people mount them up underneath the glove box. One thing, especially with the Super Beetles, that you have to watch out for is your fuel tank is right there. So you need to really watch where you're putting it so you don't drill into the fuel tank. Now to mount mine, I'm using self-tapping screws to mount it. I've already got the first one in there, and I'm going to fix and put the second one in there now. Go ahead and tighten up the top one. And that's all there is to it. Hey, you good to go. I got it all mounted up, and it's in there, real sturdy on there. I made sure that I wasn't getting into any hoses on the back side. There is that heater hose on the back side, so I was just making sure I did not get into it. But it mounted up really nice, and I'm able to reach it from the driver's side real easily. It's out of people's way if they're in the passenger seat. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. If y'all have any questions, leave them down in the comments. Remember, like, subscribe, and we'll see y'all next time. See ya.